technical traverse, wild coastline and a bumpy finish. We're out hiking Hong Kong's 10 best easy walks right here on Drone and Phone. Well, welcome to another of our 10 easy hikes. We're here in Clearwater Bay on a bit of a windy day. How are you feeling today, Muloy?
Excited, and it's a really beautiful place. I don't want to start the hike anymore.
It is really beautiful. It's a little bit chilly today. We're going to do about 10k. This is one of our tougher hikes of the 10 easy hikes, so nothing too major. Hopefully we'll get done in a few hours. Let's get going.
Let's go.
Despite its reputation as a bustling metropolis, Hong Kong offers a wide choice of scenic hiking trails that traverse mountains, coastal cliffs and tranquil islands, providing an unexpected but enjoyable way to explore the city's natural beauty. In this series, we've chosen 10 easy hikes that get you around the region without too much stress on the body. Muloy, who is relatively new to Hong Kong and hiking, is our guinea pig. For this hike, we start at Hang Hau MTR station and grab a taxi over to the entrance of the Clearwater Bay Country Park. The start point has some great views along with a picnic site and a dedicated kite flying area. We start at the back of the top car park along the main trail and then look for a right turn that contours around the coast. Nice to start the day with a bit of a bushwhack. The walk is a loop, with the first half being along a reasonably flat ribbon technical trail through to Lung Ha Wan and then back along a hilly open path.
It feels like I'm alone on the trail right now. I think DJ walked too fast. He abandoned me on the trail and left me, fed me to the boars, to the wild boars.
The trail passes through the remains of an old military watch post, after which it starts to get a little harder. Well, this hike here is quite technical and it was reasonably flat at the start. It's now going up and down a fair bit. How are you feeling, Muloy?
It's okay. It's tough, but it's, challenge here and there.
And look at these spectacular views. I mean, you can't beat the views you're getting from it.
It's worth it though.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Which way to go? Let me take rest from here. Wow. This is the first trail that gets me raving too often. Woo! Look at that! Look at that!
While the views are impressive, the trail is sometimes hard to see, and we both stumbled at times along the way. On one trip, Muloy's phone falls from his pocket, and it takes a while before we realise and send out the search party. So, Muloy lost his phone and DJ has found it. Right, you owe me a big dinner.
Thank you so much. 5 dinners.
As you near the equestrian centre at Lung Ha Wan, the trail takes you down to a pebble beach where you do a U-turn and set off up a steep incline but good trail towards Ping Tok Hang Shan. Well, we've reached the halfway mark here. We're about to turn around and go back. This part is pretty technical, some fantastic views, but don't count on going too fast because the path is not very clear. But as you can see, great views, well worth it. Not actually too much up and down, a little bit, but not too much. And if you choose to, you can come out here and walk back up and catch a bus. Our plan now is to do the second half, which is going back over a much more established route. Okay. At 216 meters, Ping Tok Hang Shan is a fair climb, particularly given the work involved in the traverse that gets you to this point. Okay, so it's really a walk of two halves, the first half being quite reasonably flat but quite technical. The second half not being technical at all, but being very up and down. We're going to go to the top of the ridge and then walk along the ridge from there all the way back to the place we started. The Lang Hau Country Trail, as this path is known, is well maintained and has some great picnic spots along the way. So the main trail has effectively two quite steep inclines. We've just done the first, that's the worst, where you're getting up to about 220 meters, and then we're going to do one more here that will take us up to close to 300 meters. That will be the very top, and then from there we'll be descending slowly back down to where we started. Now Muloy here has been suffering a bit, didn't bring enough water. Always remember, even on a cold day, bring lots of water. Better to have too much than not enough. Right, next push up this one. Once at the peak of Tai Lang Tong, the hard work is done and you get to enjoy a slow, easy descent back to the place you started. While the going is easy, Muloy is resorting to special tactics to deal with his lack of water. So I started off with a Filipino friend and now it seems we've got an Egyptian. Well, we're coming to the end. Just below us there, it's the place we started and the place we'll finish. We've done about 6.5 kilometers. I'm not sure about the climb. How was it for you, Muloy? Because you struggled a bit, huh?
Yeah, it's a bit challenging for my knees because of the first half of the hike was a bit very technical. You have to keep balancing and all. And yeah, I think the temperature was really high at that time. But man, the scenery, breathtaking.
It is absolutely beautiful. Now, this is one of the tougher, probably the toughest of our easy walks. So maybe save this one to last. If you're just finding this for the first time, you're going to find all of our previous episodes nicely catalogued on our website at droneandphone.com and on our YouTube channel. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Muloy.
This is
Drone and Phone.
What happened, Muloy?
I don't know. My shoe got trapped between rocks. Unfortunately for DJ, he missed it. He wasn't able to film it. Now he can't use it. It's gone. It's inexorable.
It's gonna be it's gonna be in the film, don't worry. It's gonna be in the episode, don't worry. I know that's what you want. I know that's what the Drone and Phone audience is looking for.